Good.
And this one's just missing it.
No, this glass is gone here.
Okay. Okay, yeah, okay. I got you. I couldn't really tell him what it
Make is it a token or is it a wing?
token.
Yeah. Oh, I like this.
The sign on there? I'm almost took that.
All right, let me
It's not attached, it is.
Huh?
It's not attached.
I don't know. Get down there and look.
I'm gonna drop this tablet real quick. Get this.
I don't see it attached, Hoss.
Yeah, what I was gonna do is lay some blankets down.
Uncle
And
David.
once we tip it over, then we can just.
Want to get you some gas, Uncle David?
Squirt it all over you. Yeah, it's attached to something, David. Right there.
Let me see. Let me see.
1926.
The handle.
Yeah, May 18th, 1926.
That hose is falling apart.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
You definitely don't want to break this little piece of glass.
Right.
Right.
I think we can get it leaned here and then push and pull at kind of the
Yeah,
same
but
time.
it's attached something.
It is, for sure. Let's see here. I guess.
I think it's over on this end over here.
This is attached.
Let's rock it back this way, Al.
Yeah, it's definitely attached on that side.
Is it attached or y'all just weak?
You know what? It may just be caked with
Dirt.
Oh, there's the piece coming up right there.
Yep.
Okay. That's not bad then. It's probably.
Mosquitoes.
Grab my glove.
What is it?
Pipe. Give it a wiggle and see what it does.
Is it moving at all?
The pipe seems to be broke loose. Okay. If we could go up, try to lay it all the way down. Okay. I think that might be the case. That would be. It might not do that.
Wait just a minute, Greg. I don't want you to scratch it up on this foot right here.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, bend it over.
Let me get a crowbar.
Got one in the truck.
Man, it's a shame it won't lean back that other way.
Probably lean this way.
Let's try that one. Don't move then. Now see if we can pull back our way because I felt like it may have.
What's the deal?
Hey, hey.
I can't tell.
It's Joey County, you remember him?
Huh?
You remember Joey County? Methodist preacher.
All right, let's come back again. Just keep working.
Yeah.
What's up? No, I'm directing. Good to see you.
Oh,
Man.
what? Hold on.
All right. You remember Sam?
I do. When he was a little baby. How you doing,
I'm
man?
good. How about you?
Good to see you. You taking video of all this?
Yes, sir.
This is Greg
Hey,
and
how's it going,
my
man?
brother David.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Good to see you.
Yes, sir.
Hey man.
All right.
Remember David?
I do. I do.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you. Yeah, it's a pile of ant bed up on there. I put that stuff around there.
Yeah, I don't see any live ones.
Yeah.
in trouble. Wish I brought that. I wish I brought that Sawzall. It's not a tank down there, is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's got gas in.
I don't know now.
Okay.
I wouldn't think so. But who knows?
Is that?
Yeah, you can hear the tank. Just right there. You can hear it.
You hear it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hear what?
It's dripping in there.
I think this though.
Does it look like it's torn right there?
It does. It looks like. Oh no! I feel another pot going down. Right there. See it? So it all must be connected down.
Just wonder if we keep rocking it, will it break that loose?
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. This is that one. Yeah.
That's a completely different pipe though.
Let's give it a rock and see what it looks like.
Oh, it's coming. It's from something moving. All right, let go.
Yeah, I think it broke loose.
Okay.
I just
I want somebody else on this end too. All right. Okay. Now we can at least
Deal with it. I got a pipe wrench. Let's see if we
be
can.
all right on this end right here with that.
Ooh, no, no, no.
No, it don't need to be on that.
Let's come back over. Yeah,
No,
roll. I don't know if we can go back over again.
We can go that.
You think so?
Where'd you get that hood, man?
Be careful.
Nice there.
You want to try to come up? We ain't got about an inch to go. There we go. We loose. Holy moly. I have to admit that was painless than I thought it was going to be. You want me to get my pipe wrenches and see if we can't break that loose?
Yeah.
Well, either that.
Cover that hole up so somebody won't come out here. Where did you dig that thing up?
Yeah, exactly.
Boy, if that thing could come off right there.
How many of them
But
gas?
you know, we can load it in a truck.
With that sticking up.
You sure can.
Is that was this wetness down here gas?
Smell like the sea.
I don't want to.
I mean, I can't smell nothing. Been working in nursing homes too long.
Y'all smell gas?
Oh, you smell fine with fine.
Probably gonna have to have a hacksaw, don't you?
That's what I was telling Greg. We can load it
Like it is.
like
Yeah.
it is.
Let's give it a try.
So where are you? Was in Arlington?
Yeah. Yeah,
This is
I
the
was
right
there.
way, ain't it?
What year?
Let's see, 2000. I think it was 2000 when I had my bypass when I was there.
Okay.
Right after that, I decided to leave.
Yeah. Nope.
I'll tell you what.
But hey, but
That ain't
But-
budging, is it?
all right, let's see if we can't move it this way. With the length on that pipe, we might can break it loose right
That's what
there.
I'm thinking.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
Use that pipe as a.
You don't
Take
want
your
to
wrench.
fork this thing down here too much. No.
No, I'm talking about this way.
Oh. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
see?
there you go.
There you go.
Is that the right way?
Yeah, that's it.
The whole pipe's turning.
Yeah, it's turning right there.
Okay.
Left it loosey,
We got-
righty tighty.
Well, that takes 100 pounds off of it.
Oh yeah. Oh well.
Oh, that's where we want to be. You can just stick that back down in that tank and
Get it to the metal place and get some money for it.
there you go.
You're not in the ants, so you good?
Nope.
We hauled off about $200 worth of metal down there when Daddy died.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. He had all kind of piled up metal junk.
They had it all the way in there, didn't
Yeah, they did.
There it goes, money man.
I tell you what, let's do, Greg.
Yeah.
Let's stand it up,
Okay.
and then you back up a little bit.
Baby. That'll work now.
Just watch your wrenches there.
Sam, you a wrench man?
He's the cameraman. Look y'all on YouTube.
Do you need these?
Me too. Yeah, I worked at the hospital out in Arlington for 21 years. Yeah.
Hey. Here.
They got that crowbar too.
Well, bring that back when you come back. What? The crowbar. What does it? Can't see. $50 headphones. Here we go.
When we pick it up, it's going to want to come back this way. Hey, Steve.
Alright, I'll tell you what, if you'll let me.
Hold on,
got it,
hold
we
on,
got it.
hold on. Y'all got it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Let me pull this one. All right.
Charge y'all for that dirt in there.
Can we go any further?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Yep. There you go.
Come on, Hollis. How you doing, son?
How about that?
It'll close now.
Will it close with that pipe?
Yes.
I'm gonna cover it with this and then lay that other stuff.